Hello friends, today I'll be sharing my experiences in homeopathic journey till now, how I grew day by day, what difficulties I faced in my initial days, how I had seen a solution for everything, how many times I fall down, how I got up. I'll share about all these things, okay? The main thing, as we all have that thing that we didn't get admission elsewhere. So we came in homeopathy. And it was fortunate, unfortunate for all of us. And same was mine. I had a lot of questions. We didn't know any idea about what is homeopathy. And we had to ask everyone that what is it? What is Mantra Medica? What is this similia similibus studenta? You know, how to talk with the patient? What is the understanding? What is the analysis before giving any remedy? So I had same problems. I didn't have any interest, and then there were some things that occurrences that happened, and after that I had started falling in love with homeopathy. So the problem was, I didn't know how to study basically. What is this Matra Medica? I would literally call my PG friends to help me with this, and I would cry before them कि कुछ तो करो इस सब्जेक्ट का और कुछ तो सिखाओ कैसे तो सिखाओ but nothing would help. I would fail in Matra Medica. I would fail in repertory. And I didn't have any answers. I really didn't have any answers. So I'll share something how I learned, how everything happened. So I would literally run away from repertory. I would avoid repertory. I was starting to find something or search something, a new way of practicing that we can do without repertory, without using repertory. You know. But as it had to be, I had to be unsuccessful in it. So I had to study repertory then. How I studied repertory was, I would travel. I didn't have a bike, so I would travel in public transport. So I would just visualize everyone there. How to do, what is this, how to analyze this, what is this man doing. So, and then I would go in the Matra Medica, I would go in the repertory, I would see what rubric it is. Lot of difficulties came. Matra Medica I didn't know. My godfather helped me in different ways of studying Matra Medica. Case taking, I would like, what is this? 1 2 hours you have to keep asking question and question to the patient, and after all, what is going to happen? You are going to again searching the repertoire and Matra Medica. So I would fear how to ask, what to ask, when to ask. Now the big question. And in acutes, especially, it will be much panic. That it's a panic situation, the risk situation. You have to decide in fraction of seconds. Pediatric cases. Once what happened? A girl came, a 6 7 year old girl came, and she was just speaking 1 or 2 sentences. Do you want to eat vegetables? Do you want to eat vegetables? Just this much in vernacular languages. Okay. So she would say, "Bhaja खायच्या का? Bhaja खायचा क्या? Bhaja खायच्या का?" So I would like what to ask now. This girl is just speaking this thing. How to open the case up? Because and what happened was my godfather was late in the clinic, so he asked me to take the case, and I was not knowing what to do now. The girl is just speaking this one sentence. My godfather came, and then I was like, fine, I'm gonna get up from this seat, and he's gonna take the case. I was happy, and then I could see that how he brought up. The girl started speaking. The girl started speaking all the subconscious things. So it was a skill, the same way you make a painting. Not everyone can just move the brush the way your godfather moves. We can never move it. So you can just learn. When you can learn with him, only when then you can practice it in your clinic with your patients, and then you learn and you grow. So what we have done is, I didn't wanted students of uh, who are studying in second year, third year, internship, just practicing. I didn't want them to face difficulties what I had faced. So then I thought that something should be done. What I've learned from my gurus, you know, I should share it with people. I should share my experiences with people so that somewhere it may help. So we have started with a learning series, a learning course, where we would be learning about Matra Medica, repertory, case taking, different repertories, how to use, when to use, how to convert patient language, how to study Mathematica by different ways, case taking, how to do, what to ask, when to ask, which question to ask, when to take which approach, different approach, kingdoms, you know, there are different approaches. I have my colleague who is very who has expertise in case taking different approaches, going deeper in the experiences, deeper patterns, pediatrics, acutes. So we have designed a course that everyone may help. The beginner practitioner may help. Someone who is practicing, he may be helped, and especially the students, because their base, their foundation will be strong. So what we are going to do, we are going to learn Mathematica by different ways, from source, from rubrics, how to connect the single rubrics, from pathophysiology, keynotes, observations, kingdom study, the kingpin rubrics of cycles we say, then repertories, FATAC, the glimpses, BBCR, how to use, how to basically understand the repertory, how to basically understand each and every rubrics, how to use them in practice, how to understand delusions, how to convert patient language into rubric, how to go into the step-by-step repertorization, how to take the case, different approaches when patient doesn't speak up, when patient directly speaks up with chief complaint also sometimes, and it goes deeper patterns. Sometimes patient just doesn't speak up much. Whatever you ask, he says no. And how to open up the case then artistically, skillfully. We have designed in such a way that it will surely help each and every level of practitioners, be it a student or be it a practitioner. So I would suggest everyone to go through the content, go through the things that we have put in our course schedule. It will be starting from 5th July. It will be online. We all will be learning online because due to this lockdown and all, we cannot gather at a place. So we will be learning online. We will be having discussion sessions where all the difficulties will be asked, will be shared, there will be question answer sessions. We will learn, you will learn. So it will be all the collective learning. Also there will be case solving. We will give you some cases to solve which we have seen. We will share with you our cases. All this learning, Mathematica, repertory, case taking, this all will be done by case examples. All the case examples from our practice. How we have encountered, what difficulties we had and how we took out a solution to it and it was successful. Success cases, failure cases, everything. About the potency, the analysis, evaluation, follow-up, the different difficulties that come in follow-up. So basically, it is the main intention is to help students, help people practice homeopathy, and the main objective is that every student should practice homeopathy. Every student should think about homeopathy. People usually have seen students going away from homeopathy. They don't want to practice homeopathy. They say we don't have much patience. There is no results. We have to wait. So we want students to make there should be a change. We want to change this scenario. So there are students who really want to learn homeopathy, but they don't have some sources. So we thought that we can help some or the other way. If you are interested, you may contact us. My mobile number is 8329393677. We really assure you that this will bring a different change, a good change, a better perspective in your practice. You will enjoy practicing homeopathy. You will enjoy doing passionately, with energy, with enthusiasm, with hard work, and you will excel. And it will be good for homeopathy. So, one story I would like to share. My guru had said that, there was a person who had a ship, okay, and his ship, something happened and it was not working well, or something happened, there was a machine or the engine and all not working well. He called to different mechanics and everybody saw. They said this, nothing can be done to this ship. Nothing can be done. He waited, he said something has to be done. There has to be someone who can make this proper now. So then he called some mechanic. That mechanic said, I would need at least 2 hours. So he was like, other mechanic would come, they would see in 10-15 minutes and they would go, what? Why this person is asking for 2 hours or 1.5 hours? Okay. So he said, okay, you take your time. So then that mechanic studies everything, he checks and all, everything is done. He comes back, he talks that I can do this. Okay. And he said, I have done it okay. So then the person asks for what is the bill? He says it is 999 rupees. Okay. 9,999. So he said, why this much? So he says, actually it is 10,000. The bill is 10,000. 1 rupee for hitting and 9,999 rupees for thinking, for searching. So he said, then he asked it, what was the problem? He said, nothing. There was just one screw which was needed to be tightened, and that's all. So this is what our homeopathy is like. We have to search, we have to do a laborious work, we have to see what is there, we have to do a hard work, and then we get the code. What is needed to be fine-tuned. So when we learn this, when we learn this skill, things go easy. Practice becomes easy, it becomes fun, it becomes loving. So the main intention to say that you really can join this course if you are interested, if you are willing. Good. If you are not willing, not interested, still good. So do contact us and do join. Hope to have a great learning there, intensive learning, and we will enjoy it. Okay. Thank you.